For a child born with spina bifida or hydrocephalus in Ethiopia, surgery is only the first chapter. Lifelong care begins the moment they leave the operating room. Without guidance, many families are left with uncertainty and fear. In the heart of Addis Ababa, families set out on this journey of care. At the gates of St. Peter's, every step carries both hope and fear. Inside, renovated physiotherapy units now stand ready to receive them. The multidisciplinary clinic is rewriting this story. With the support of the Contribute Foundation, the aftercare program is bringing together specialists, technology and training, transforming follow-up care into a pathway of hope.
The aftercare program has always been present. The intensity and the standard has been significantly improved since 2023. We have organized system of categorizing different aftercare needs for children with spina bifida and hydrocephalus.
መጀመሪያ አላወቅኩትም ነበር። ካወቅኩ በኋላ ግን ያው ከባህር ዳር ነው መጀመሪያ የተሰራችው። ከዛ ወደዚህ ወደ አዲስ አበባ ደግሞ ሪፈር ጻፉልኝ ለጥቁር አንበሳ ሆስፒታል። ጥቁር አንበሳ ደግሞ ሁለት ጊዜ ሰሯት። አሁን ሶስተኛዋ ነው ከዚህ።
After the launch of aftercare program, we were able to see improvement in the patient's quality of life. As in, we were able to see decrement in post-surgical infections, patient revisions, and we are also providing training and counseling for mothers and caregivers. So we do CIC trainings, we do counseling on folic acid, we do ultrasound, bedside ultrasound for OPD patients, which has helped us to start CIC early.
The MDT clinic concept is to cater to those families who are requiring different specialties. So in MDT clinic, we have a minimum of 7 specialists catering to one child. So those subspecialists can be the neurosurgeons, pediatric surgeons, pediatricians, CIC nurses, physiotherapists, orthopedics, urologists.
እነዚህ ህፃናቶች ከቤታቸው ወጥተው ወደዚህ ሲመጡ የሚያሳድረው ወይም ደግሞ አውትካሙ ስናየው አንድ የሶሻል ክራይሲስም ተቀንሳለ። ምክንያቱም እቤት ሲቀመጥ እናቲቱ እሱን ለመንከባከብ ወደ ስራ አትሄድም። አባቱም እንደዚህ ይጨነቃል፣ ያስባል። ከዛ ወጥተው እዚህ መታከማቸው ለፋሚሊው ትልቅ አስተዋጽኦ አለው።
አፍተር ኬር ብዙ የሚጠቅመው ፔሸንቶቻችንን እኛንም ፔሸንቶቹ እንዴት ይጠቀማሉ? ሰርጀሪ እንዲያገኙ ከተመቻቸው በኋላ ከሰርጀሪ በኋላ የሚመጡትን ስራዎች ያግዙልናል። ለምሳሌ አፍተር ኬር ውስጥ አንዱ የሚካተተው የሲአይሲ ስራ ነው። ሲአይሲ ልጆቻችን የሽንት መቆጣጠር ችግር ሲያጋጥማቸው እነሱ እንዴት መሽናት እንዳለባቸው እናስተምራቸዋለን። ሲአይሲ እሱን ካስተማርን ደግሞ ሽንት ቱቦ ኢንፌክሽንን እንቀንሳለን። እሱ ታይዞ ደግሞ የኪድኒ ፌለርንም ይቀንስልናል ማለት ነው።
ፎሊክ አሲድና ናይ ካቴተር ስልጠና በብሰለስተ ወርሕ ናይ ፎሊክ አሲድ በብሰለስተ ወርሕ ነው ወሃብኒ ስልጠና አዘምጽና
Any patient who have had any form of treatment at those 8 centers of excellence will have a phone follow-up, a consistent phone follow-up that will make sure they are implementing the proper standard trained CIC, as well as pick up any concerns that they might have had. So those centers that we are working with, they are teaching hospitals. Appointments can range from 3 months to 6 months. It's really hard for parents to travel all across those cities just to get a slither of that treatment. What we are doing is we are allowing our coordinators to reach out and tap those patients and tap those family members and ask what their need is, if there is any.
In the aftercare program, there is a multidisciplinary clinic. On this multidisciplinary clinic, different professionals are engaged. So in over a year, nearly 2,000 children will be seen by this multidisciplinary clinic.
So having all this team together as MDT, it has transformed the care of these children, because children and their families, they came and at the same day they will find all related professionals that are working in spina bifida and hydrocephalus. So this helped us with adherence to the follow-up.
All these investments find their meaning when multidisciplinary teams are functional. The spaces are ready, the tools are here, the teams are trained. Together, across every city and every center, the vision is becoming reality. From strength to clarity, from empowerment to teamwork, every step brings us closer, all towards one vision: multidisciplinary teams in every center of excellence by 2026.